Hello, and welcome to Quick Tips from MSC Industrial Supply, a show where we invite the manufacturing community to share their expertise with us. If you're a welder, you know that making sure your helmet is protecting you at all times is absolutely essential. 3M has developed an app that allows you to set up your equipment, set maintenance reminders, program memory modes, and access user manuals and customer support, all without touching your helmet. Let's check it out. Go to the App Store and download the 3M Speedglass Welding Safety Connected Equipment app today. And for more information on all of 3M safety solutions, visit www.mscdirect.com/3M. Now being connected means working smarter and working safer thanks to 3M. See you next time on Quick Tips.